Assalamualaikum and welcome to Tutorial Tuber channel. In the 7th video of this lecture, we are going to discuss about the views. For example, we will click on this front plane. As you can see, this plane is not in the normal position. You will click on this normal tool and click on this sketch. You can also click on the sketch from here. For example, click here and click sketch. After that, we will talk about the views. For example, first of all, a view bar is here. For example, we will draw a shape. We will extrude it. Okay. Now we will talk about the views. As you can see this tab, which is view orientation, we will click on this drop down and you will see that it is saying that isometric control 7. Control 7 is the shortcut key for the isometric tool. We will click on any one of these, for example isometric, and it will change the view to the 3D view. If you want the top view, you will simply click on this drop down, and as you can see, it is saying that control 5 top. When you will click on this, we will see the top view of this. After that, you want to change the view, you want to see it from the left, you will click left or simply click control 3. Control 5 for top, control 3 for left. And as you can see, all the shortcut keys are written here. For example, if you want the front tool or the front view, then you can simply click on control 1. Control 1. Now this is the front view of this geometry. After that, we will see control 6 for the bottom view. We will simply click on the control 6 and it will give the bottom view. And in this way, there are many views. Control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and for normal view you can simply click on control 8. For example, if you want this side to come to the front, you will simply click on this and it will turn blue. After that, you will click on control 8. It is a most usually used tool. You can select on any side. For example, if you want to select this side, click on this and click control 8 and it will automatically come to the front. If you want these tools to come at the front of this, you can simply go here and right click, and as you can see, there are many tools. You will simply go there and as you can see, standard views, you will click on this, and as you can see, these tools all have been brought to the front. You can simply click here for any view. In this way, your work will be much faster. After that, there is another tool. For example, if you are not in the sketch, for example, if you are doing this and click OK. If you are sketching, for example, click on this front plane, sketch, go to the normal, press control 8. When you are sketching, click escape. If you will right click on the mouse button and bring it up, left, right or top or the bottom, you can see if you will bring on the right, you will see it will automatically select circle. And if you will click the right button of the mouse and bring it to the upward, you can see it is smart dimension. You can change the dimension or the measurement from it. When you will click this and go to the left, it will automatically choose the line tool. And when you will right click and drag it to the bottom, it will automatically choose the rectangle, and it will choose the rectangle type which you have chosen from here. For example, if you will choose center rectangle from here once, then for example, if you will click escape, whenever you will drop down, it will automatically select the it will only do the corner rectangle. So after that, for example, we have click OK, exit sketch, and we want to delete these sketches. You can simply click on this sketch. For example, as you can see, this all is selected. You can simply click delete and click yes. These all sketches are deleted. Now when you are not in the sketching or out of the sketch or you have exited the sketch, when you will click on the right button of the mouse and you will drag it to the right, it will go to the right plane, or the right view of the body will come into the front. And in same way, when you right click and drag to the top, it will give the top plane of that geometry or that 3D model. And when you will go to the right, it will give the right view. And same, when you will go to the bottom while holding the right button of the mouse, it will give the bottom view of the 3D model. In this way you can use these views to see an object from many angles. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it.